If you are familiar with ultralight backpacking gear, you must have heard about the brand TOAKS. They're well known for their ultralight and budget titanium cups. But this right here is even cheaper than the TOAKS titanium, and today I'm going to be reviewing it. This right here is the Boundless Voyage 750 titanium cup. First, we're going to take a look at the features. Everything comes in this mesh carrying bag just so you don't scratch up anything and to keep everything much more organized. The lid also has 3 draining holes for liquids or to release steam out of the cup in case you're boiling anything. It also has a small tab on the top of the lid so you can safely remove it from the cup without getting burned. Now on the side of the cup, it has 2 rods that swivel out into a handle, and something really unique about this handle is the bends in it. What this helps you do is to pour the cup and prevent your lower knuckles from touching the burner pot. On the inside of the cup, it has embedded measurements so you know just how much liquid you're pouring inside of the cup. So now that we have covered all the features on this product, let's take a look at the specs. The total weight of it with the lid is 100 grams on the dot, which is actually 3 grams lighter than the TOAKS titanium. Dimensions are 4 3/8 of an inch on the height, 4 inches on width. The total price is $16 cheaper than the TOAKS titanium cup, being $36 Canadian or $26 US dollars. So taking a closer look at the cup, you got this mesh storage pouch, lid with a small grab handle, pouring spout. Here's the cup itself. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make a dehydrated meal and make some tea. What the fuck? That is definitely my favorite. Green tea and some honey. So now that we made some tea, I'm gonna go ahead and make an actual dehydrated meal. Some creamy beef and noodles with mushrooms. The pot is 650 milliliters and the recipe calls for 2 cups. So with this size of a cup, you're gonna be able to still boil 2 cups of water without it completely boiling over top of the edge of the cup. Got to make sure we mix this up pretty good. In about 15 minutes or so. And keep a little bit still in the bag to keep it warm. Here's what we got. Oh yeah. Got a nice hot meal in the winter time, out in the woods. So I'd say it passed the test. Now let's take a look at the cons of this product. Titanium is very strong, lightweight, but is known to have very low heat retention, meaning it loses heat very fast, which depending on your needs, it could be a good or bad material to be using. Another issue is to do with the handles. I had originally bought the same exact cup, but in 650 milliliters, that was too small for my needs, so I picked up the 750. There was a noticeable difference between the two, and the difference was the handles. My original one that I had bought in, the handles were very stiff and they would stay in place as I moved them, but on this cup, it just flops around, which could be an issue when you're using it on the burner. Say if the arms fold in, then you cannot take the cook pot off without touching the pot and burning yourself. Now, if I wanted to, I could just return it on Amazon and get one that works perfectly normal. It's not a big deal for me though. I don't really care too much, but that is something that I had noticed when I had purchased a second one. So definitely an issue that I had with this cup is that as soon as I grabbed the handles, I burnt my hand on them. The burner was just spitting such a big flame. It went up and around the cup. So then all the heat was also being transferred into the handle, resulting in burning myself as soon as I grabbed the handle. So who would I recommend this product for? I would recommend this product to the ultralight budget backpacker who wants to boil water for their dehydrated meals. Coffee, tea. You definitely won't be chefing it up with this cook pot. But if you want a fuel efficient system to cook bacon, eggs, fish, boil water, and do anything you need to do with a cook pot burner, I'll have a video on that right here. And at 250 subscribers, I will be doing a gear giveaway worth $200 to one person, or I might just do multiple pieces of gear. You guys let me know in the comments down below, and definitely let me know what you guys would like to see in it, and I may consider giving that away. But anyways guys, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.